See here. So I have this graph, same graph. So we are going to use the y-axis command and plot the separate axis on the left and right. So plot the first three columns of usage smooth on the one vertical axis, again date on the horizontal axis. On the same figure, plot the last column total usage is second vertical axis. So one thing I'm go for one y-axis I'm going to plot all the three. For one y-axis I'm going to plot total. Okay. So we can define these commands. See here, y-axis left and y-axis right. So on the left, you see they have asked us to plot dates, comma, usage smooth. Okay. And right axis right, I'm going to plot dates, comma, total usage. How is the total usage variable? You have to see that, right? So we'll give this. If you give whos, you will understand what all things are there. And usage smooth will have usage smooth 1 to 3 is going to be for residential, commercial, and other thing. And fourth one is going to be the total. So I have to divide them among the axis and plot. So see here, 1, 3, and same usage I will be plotting just the fourth one. I hope this is correct. See, this colon indicates all the rows from 1 to 3 and all the rows for the fourth. 1 to 3 is residential, commercial, industrial, and fourth one is going to be the total. You are able to get this graph. See here, residential, commercial, industrial, and this side total consumption. This is how we are going to, we have understood how we are going to plot, and legend is done automatically. See here, legend is automatically given. Location is northwest. They have added legend. They say do not edit this point because once you run this code, the legend will be automatically added to your graph. Okay, it will be automatically added to your graph. Now you can visualize the same thing using scatter plot also. So you can plot matrix, So you can plot your data in a 4x4 matrix. So you can plot it like that way. So plot, see here, plot the first row is plot a scatter plot of column 2, again the column 1. You can plot different combinations. So which one you want, you can plot. Okay. So plot matrix of data. If you give, it will plot the different way. All the diagonal elements will be bar chart. Other things will be scatter plot. So it's going to be a separate scatter plot for each pair of columns of the input matrix. Okay. So that visualization MATLAB is giving to you. It is not available in the previous version. It is available only in the current version. Plot matrix of data. So your data will be divided into 4x4 matrices depending on your size of your data, and each matrix will have a different plot. So diagonal elements will be always bar chart because you're going to plot them again the same row and column. But other than diagonal elements, all the elements will be having scatter plots. Okay, better visualization of data. Only for the better visualization, we are going to use this. See here, the plots, the diagonal are histograms of individual columns. In this case, the highlighted plot in the first row and first column is the histogram of the first column of the input matrix. So this is going to be the histogram of the first column, histogram of second column, third column, fourth column. Then between column and rows, you are going to plot the scatter plot. Okay. So this is going to give a mixed view of your data.